Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. Finally friends, I'm back with another video on the iQOO 9 SE device. So where I'll try to do the 1 hour of battery on mobile game battery rating test continuously. Yes, when this is a question exactly requested by a lot of subscribers asking me to make a video while playing battery on mobile game and checking the temperatures at same time as well. So the phone has got the Snapdragon 888 processor, right? And a lot of other users, they want to know how is the phone handling in terms of the heating problems and how much battery is draining exactly for playing for 1 hour of time. So in case if you want me to do any other intense kind of battery draining test, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to use those kind of ideas in my upcoming videos as well. Right now the phone I did charge to 100% exactly, and during this process of demonstration I'll try to use the 4G SIM card. So 4G SIM card continuously I'll try to use, and my phone temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius and my room temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, and there is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, nothing at all. So this is a kind of practical way of doing this kind of testing. I do feel like, as you can clearly see friends, 32 degrees Celsius. And during this process I'll try to use only with the 60 FPS. I'll try to play the game non-stop with the 4G data connection, continuously with the 4G. And you can see the brightness I did keep around 50% brightness, as you can exactly see. So let me open the brightness and let me show you exactly what is the 50% actually mean in terms of the overall brightness levels, in terms of the nits. So let me show you exactly. So 50% brightness, let's try to disable, yeah. It is equal to kind of 130 nits, nothing much high brightness levels I'm trying to use. Let me slightly increase. Maybe 300 should be kind of fine, I guess. Yes, 300 nits should be kind of fine. I'll need to play continuously the game using the 300 nits non-stop. And let's see even how much battery will decrease and how much in terms of the heating will also, it will try to increase while playing at same time. So this is kind of close to 60% brightness I would say. And let's start the test and stopwatch as well. And this is going to be really very interesting friends, because this is my first time using this kind of iQOO 9 SE for the battery on mobile game draining test continuously. And during this time I'll try to play a couple of team deathmatch and a couple of classic match as well, but I'll try to keep on playing continuously, and I'll try to enable this 4D vibrations. And one more quick note, I won't use game frame interpolation. I will not use, because using game frame interpolation the FPS will boost up to 90 FPS, but unfortunately there's a lot of lag is happening while gaming using with the 90 FPS. That's the reason I cannot use that. And this complete settings is of smooth and extreme settings only. Let's go to the graphics. As you can see, smooth and extreme settings and lobby as well, everything. So there's no 90 FPS unfortunately, as I said. So let me try to start playing the game and let's see how much the battery will be draining during this process of demonstration, and how much high temperatures the phone can actually increase as well. These are the few things which I'll try to definitely concentrate in this video. And I did enable this 4D vibrations anyway. I can be back exactly after 15 minutes of continuously playing the team deathmatch. So right now I'm trying to play with the team deathmatch overall. As you can see, overall the gameplay looks pretty good right now. – 4D vibrations working perfectly alright in this device without any kind of problem. 4D vibrations, which works very smooth, the 4D vibrations in this device at this moment. I can be back exactly after 15 minutes of continuously playing the game. Right now, as you can see friends, I can be back after 15 minutes of time. And in the beginning the temperature is about 32 degrees Celsius. Right now it became 35 degrees Celsius. Let's see how much high temperatures the phone can actually go up to. So right now, as you can see friends, we are kind of close to exactly 20 minutes of time as well. And now let's check the temperature, what's happening. Temperature is about 39 degrees Celsius. 39.2. On the back side of the phone it's about 37.2. You can clearly see the temperatures friends, what's happening here. Definitely it's kind of close to 40 degrees and 39 degrees, and my room temperature is also pretty same, it's only 29 degrees. can see definitely the temperature slightly kind of increased and the battery dropped to 94% exactly at this moment. 94 right now. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see it or not, but 94% is the battery level of this device. As you can see, balanced mode, battery remaining 94%. And I've been, as you can see, exactly. Now let's start playing the game. During this process, I did not feel any kind of much lag or any kind of problems. As I said, the problem only appears when you're trying to play using the game frame interpolation. If you don't use any kind of game frame interpolation, there won't be any kind of lag. That's something you should definitely understand about this device. Right now, as you can see, friends, all of the gameplay looks pretty good, right? So I can be back after some time, friends. Let's see how much the battery will be draining. And during this time, I'm trying to use only with the 4G data connection only. Only 4G I'm trying to use. And I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, exactly it's kind of close to 30 minutes as well, 31 minutes. And right now the battery dropped to 90%. Let me show you exactly what's happening here. So is a 90%, as you can clearly see, friends, 90%. And let's start the game. And this complete test has been done only using 60% brightness as well. You can clearly see here. And regarding the temperatures, it did not cross like above 40, but it was able to maintain kind of 40, 39.8 and somewhere around that temperatures during this process of demonstration. So not much high temperatures as expected. I did expect kind of close to 42 or maybe 43 as well, but that's not the case. The phone was able to maintain up to 40 degrees. 40 degrees is the maximum you can definitely consider in the iQOO 9 SE device. And battery dropped by 10% in 30 minutes of time. So for 1 hour, if you try to play, it might drain up to 20% as well. So 5 hours you can play continuously the Batteryon's mobile game in your iQOO 9 SE device, so which you should definitely know about. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Again, I'll be back after some time, maybe after 1 hour of time. Then we can actually discuss more details as well. Even what's happening with the overall battery draining and the heating testing in this device as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested about this iQOO 9 SE. Again, I'll be back after some time. As you can see, friends, finally we did reach about close to exactly 1 hour of time as well. So for 1 hour I've been playing continuously non-stop the team deathmatch. So I forgot to play in the classic match. I was like continuously playing in the team deathmatch only. So maybe in the next upcoming videos I'll try to play in the classic match alone, so we can actually get to know what's going on. But with the intense kind of testing, as you can see, friends, clearly the temperatures did not cross above 40 degrees. So right now I can only see up to 38.7 and 38 degrees Celsius. You can see the temperatures 38.4 is highest, and maroon temperature you can see 30 degrees Celsius. So in my experience, in my usage, I did not see any kind of huge like high temperatures. So maybe I've been using only 60 FPS. That might be the another reason. And smooth and extreme only I'm trying to use. I'm not using any kind of HDR and extreme. Maybe if you use HDR and extreme, the temperatures might go high as well, and battery might drain slightly more. But right now the battery percentage is of 79%. Total of 21% got decreased during this time of demonstration for 1 hour of time. For 1 hour, if you try to play the game, 20% has got decreased using with the 4G data alone. Just try to understand, friends, only with the 4G data connection. And the brightness, you can see how much I did set, about kind of 60% brightness I did set during this process of demonstration as well. So maybe if you try to decrease the brightness and if you try to use with the Wi-Fi connection, you might get different results as well overall during my experience. So in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. These are the quick details about the battery of the iQOO 7 device. while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game. So maximum you can play up to 5 hours of time, 5 to 6 hours of time you can play the Battlegrounds mobile game in this iQOO 7 device. Unfortunately, more than that, because of this Snapdragon 888 processor, I think will not allow you to play it 90 fps. I mean, little bit kind of more time because of the Snapdragon 888 processor. But temperatures, I did not see any kind of much high temperatures at this moment overall. I did not find any high temperatures and not much lag as well. And nothing much lag has happened during this process of demonstration. Exactly, I did not feel any kind of lag because I'm not using any game frame interpolation. That's the reason. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching a state of more update. This is a quick 1 hour training test which I thought of doing for a very long time, and finally it is a video for you all who are actually waiting for this training test results as well. Let me know in the comment section below what are the things you want me to improve in my battery training test results, and what are the conditions you want me to choose, like Wi-Fi or full brightness or HDR and extreme settings. Let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and let's stay for more updates, and bye.